back to JAZZYTTV. Today I'm sharing all the details on what I'm gonna do to lose 20 pounds in 40 days. So I do need to lose 3 pounds a week, so I have to stay disciplined. I will be running and lifting weights for my workouts, but I will be sharing that in a separate video. I also will be using a detox tea, and I will talk about that today. I did just get back from the grocery store, so let's go ahead and get into the food I'll be eating on my diet. Is baby spinach and baby kale mix. Honestly, the baby kale tastes just like spinach. You really can't tell the difference, and you're getting double the nutrients. I'll be using this for my green juice in the morning. I'm also going to be throwing in kale, celery, got some cucumber for that too. And the last thing I'll be adding to the juice is some ginger. This is the exact juice that I made in my juice with me for weight loss video. Because I'm blending and I'm keeping all of the fiber, it doesn't taste as sweet, so I have to add some type of sweetener. So this time I purchased this naked juice. It's their green machine. I know it's not too healthy. For lunch, I do plan to have a salad. This is my absolute favorite, Taylor Farms sweet kale salad. I just eat it by itself. I do add apples. This pack already comes with broccoli, green cabbage, kale, and cranberries. Now, I accidentally bought this one, and I don't like spicy food. I tried it, and it actually was really good. It wasn't spicy at all. It did have a little kick to it. Tastes like Chipotle dressing. Now for my snack options, I was some watermelon. Now one thing about your weight loss journey, you want to make sure that you grab stuff that's easy to prep. Watermelon's like 92 to 97% water. Dinner's the only meal of the day that I plan to have seafood. I just got regular large chilled off shrimp, and I also picked up some salmon. Y'all, this is my favorite frozen salmon. This is way cheap. It's only $11 for the whole pack. I think this is a great deal. Now to cook my seafood, I'm going to be using, can't believe it's not butter. This is a vegan butter brand. It might be slightly less salty, but it tastes just like butter to me. Also for dinner, I'm adding a vegetable on the side. So I did purchase asparagus, and I also got some bell peppers. I have them in every color. Some other snack options I picked up is some popcorn. Popcorn is my favorite food, and I know I'm calling it food, but it is to me. If you know me, you know I love popcorn. So this type of popcorn is healthier though. It's the sea salt version. Oh, okay, never mind. This is the white cheddar version. I got the wrong one, y'all. I was supposed to get the sea salt. This one I'm not gonna eat. Now another healthy option is this boom chicka pop. Tastes really good. This is an emergency snack for me. I'm not gonna be eating this every single day. It's only 140 calories per pack, but it does have a lot of added sugar. So I wouldn't suggest this as an everyday snack. This is way better than picking up some ice cream. Also to cook my seafood with, I purchased this spray. Now I have regular avocado oil, but if you look on the back of any sprays, like even butter spray, it's 0 calories. You cannot be 0 calories. EB Fit peanut butter, it's powder. Before you say that's nasty, I've never tried this actually, but you're supposed to add water to the powder, and then it's supposed to come out like regular peanut butter. But it is supposed to be a healthier version. There's only 2 grams of fat in this. I also picked up some nuts for a snack option. I have the Kind specialty nuts. This mix has pistachios, cashews, almonds, and macadamia nuts. I just got a small tin because, again, I will overdo it. I get a bigger thing, I will eat the whole thing. Nuts, even though they are healthy for you, they are high in fat. Healthy fats, the goal is to lose 3 pounds a week. I can't be eating a lot of fat, even if it's healthy. I will be pairing my dinner with rice. That's gonna be my first option. I already have sweet potatoes. This one is slightly healthier than brown rice. It has more nutrients and protein. I got this full natural almonds. The last food thing I picked up was this Acai Superfruit pack. It has the 10 grams of protein. I did talk all about this and showed you guys how to make my acai bowl in the video I posted, so go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. I know for myself that there are going to be some times during these 40 days where I will feel lightheaded, hungry, tired. Those are some common things that you experience when you're switching your diet to eating less, working out more, and also you might not be eating enough. So I know for me, that's happened before, and I'll pick up on more fruit, more vegetables, and more snacks just to fill me up a little bit more. That's it for the grocery haul. I'm adding a detox tea like I did last time, because the detox tea actually helped me lose 1 pound a day. At the end of the 2 weeks, I lost 10 pounds and I did keep that weight off. But I'm not using the same tea that I used last time, and I will make a video talking about that experience, but I am using tea from the same brand. So this is the Highly Weight Loss Kit, and I did find this on Amazon. I will link it below if you're interested. I can't really recommend this specific tea because there are different ingredients. I'll just do a video later to review how it worked for me. In the morning, I would have the pure matcha with sencha. Lunch, I would have the Garcinia Cambogia with green tea. And at night with my dinner, I'll have the Slim Tea Herbal Supplement. So it's 3 teas a day. So that's what I'll be following. I'm really excited, y'all, to start this journey because I know it worked for me last time. I have 40 days to lose 20 pounds. Every week, I will make sure to do a video for you guys to let you know how much weight I've lost. If you guys have questions, just let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.